floated the vessel once with these holes. There's a hole, I can see from here. I'll just point it to it for you. You can visibly see a hole here. You can visibly see two holes here. There's another one. There's a crack. All of the seams underneath were not welded. The top of the seams weren't tested. There's another hole which they'd cut. And again, you can see there's no way this is going to hold water. And that's one they tried to put a patch over. And they tried to patch over it to prevent the testers getting to it so they could see, but they couldn't get there in time. And I surprised them with the testers. This is the welding on the bow. Again, there's a massive fat weld there. It's not watertight. This was squirting water when they immersed it in water. I'll show you where from. It was squirting water from here outwards. It was also the way that's going to hold. You can see holes here, you can see cracks there. There's holes here. Narrowboat 75777, which has just been welded, overplated at Taylor's Boatyard by JP Marine. As I said, we have just had independent consultants in to examine the welds, and this is what they found. I'll just run quickly down this weld seam of the base plate. You can see the defects from the die penetrance. This is after, let's not forget, this is 2 months work. Now, this boat, they propose to float